Introducing Box0, a multifunction device that lets you discover science and electronics with DIY experiments and projects. Box0 is easy to use. Just plug it in the USB port of your smartphone or computer, launch the software, and your workbench is ready. With its combination of software and hardware, Box0 provides affordable access to an oscilloscope, signal generator, power supply, spectrum analyzer, sensor interface, real-time data logger, and many other tools traditionally out of the reach of many learners. It provides the freedom for open-ended explorations from a variety of sources and enables the users to learn at their own pace, anytime, anywhere. For user convenience, there are on-board 3.3V, plus 5V and minus 5V power sources, which are useful for powering up various digital and analog circuits and sensors. In an event of short circuit or overcurrent, Box0 automatically shuts down the supplies and notifies the user via status LEDs. This keeps the device safe and prevents your prototypes from getting spoiled. The sensor interface supports a variety of analog and digital sensors out of the box. The real-time data logger enables easy data collection, plotting and curve fitting, which is very useful for doing science experiments and virtually makes every sensor an instrument in itself. We have already added support for fridging so that anyone can create tutorials and share their knowledge with others easily. At the core of Box0 is a data acquisition and control device which is versatile and extendable. It comes with libraries for Python, Julia, Java, Node.js, C and C++, which can be used for communicating with different hardware modules. With a bit of code, anyone can implement data acquisition and control for automating experiments or for designing their own instruments. Box0 also works as a hacker tool, similar in manner to Bus Pirate. We use it all the time for hacking and talking to electronics around the lab. Box0 has been designed from scratch, and we are working on it since last 3 years to create a user-friendly software and hardware. Plotting large datasets in real time is not an easy task. For efficient use of hardware and lag-free experience, we have developed a general-purpose GPU-based plotting library, and all our softwares use it exclusively. Box0 uses USB vendor class for efficient use of bandwidth, deterministic communication, and parallel access to hardware modules, instead of using serial, which is quite popular and easy, but also inherently unreliable. The hardware and software design is modular and hackable, which makes it easy to add support for new hardware or software to the existing platform or reuse parts of the project somewhere else. We believe in the philosophy of free and open source software and hardware. All our educational material, documentation, source code, and hardware design are publicly available under free and open source licenses on GitLab. We have used only free and open source platforms for design and development, so that no one will have to rely on expensive and closed tools. Currently, Box0 is in beta testing, and we are really excited to see how it would empower learners, educators, and makers around the world.